Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this little color block crochet bag, and if you wanna see how to do it, keep on watching. For this project you will need 3 different colors of yarn, 2 different size crochet hooks. I use 6.5mm and 4mm hooks, tapestry needle, scissors, and a strap for the bag. However, this is optional and you can just crochet one instead of buying. First, we're going to start with the body of the bag, so take your yarn and fold it in 3 parts like so. This way we're making not chunky yarn into chunky yarn. Of course, if you're using chunky yarn, you can skip this step. After, we're going to do a slip knot and chain 17 chains. To extend your chunky yarn, just pull more yarn through the loop here. Now we have our foundation chain. For row 1 we're going to do single crochet. To make single crochet, put a hook into the second chain from the hook, pull yarn through, yarn over, and pull yarn through again. Repeat this till the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. And continue doing single crochet for row 2 as well. We will keep doing single crochets till we make 20 rows in total. After you have 20 rows of single crochet, fasten the yarn and cut it off. Repeat the same process to make the second part of the bag body. After you have 2 parts, we're going to take blue color yarn and smaller crochet hook and do single crochet around the body pieces like so. When you reach the end, use slip knot to connect it together. In the end, you should have 2 pieces that look something like this. For the sides and bottom part of the bag, we are going to use same technique to make chunky yarn. Make a slip knot and chain 6, or however wide you want your bag to be. Now we're going to do lemon peel stitch. To do this, we're going to keep switching between single crochet and double crochet stitches. So let's begin. Yarn over and go into the second stitch from the hook. Pull yarn through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. We just made double crochet. Now for second stitch we're going to do single crochet. Now again double crochet and after single crochet, and keep repeating till the end of the row. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. As we finished with single crochet last row, in this row we're going to start with double crochet. And then do single crochet, double crochet, and keep repeating. So if in the previous row your stitch was double crochet, you're going to make single crochet into that stitch and vice versa. We're going to be doing lemon peel stitch till we make big enough strip to cover 3 sides of the bag. After we are done with the strip, we're going to sew together the edge pieces with the body piece using tapestry needle and single strand of yarn. Also, I put the body part for the stitches to go vertically instead of horizontally, as I just thought it looks a bit different and nicer, but you can do either way you want. And now just take your needle with yarn and stitch 2 body parts together with the strip. This is going to be our sides and bottom of the bag. After you're done sewing the parts together, your bag should look like this. Now the last piece, the cover part. We're going to use the same technique again to make the yarn chunky. Make slip knot and chain 21. For row 1 till row 11, we're going to make single crochet. For row 12, we're going to start with a decrease. Put the hook into the first stitch, pull yarn through, then again pull the hook into the second stitch, pull yarn through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So you just made a decrease. For the rest of the row, we're going to do single crochets until 2 stitches are left. And then do a decrease at the end again. We keep repeating rows with decreases at the beginning and at the end for 5 rows. After you are done with the 5 rows, fasten the yarn off and the cover should look something like this. After we are done, we're going to do the same thing as we did for the body parts of the bag and do single crochets around the cover to make the edges more even. Now, when we have the cover done, the last step is to sew it on the bag. Measure it next to your bag and decide where you want to attach it. I did it a bit lower than the edge of the bag around here. And when you're happy with your cover placement, using tapestry needle and single strand of yarn, sew it on. For the strap, I thought the leather strap will give a bit more finished look, but you can crochet a strap and attach it on the sides as well. So I just clipped my strap on the edges of the bag, and I am done. You could also add a little clasp inside the top cover to make it more secure. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments and I will try to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my future videos.